Welcome to the product demo of the LT35 hydraulic portable sawmill. Built in the USA, the LT35 hydraulic features complete hydraulic log handling, powered head controls with Setworks, fully welded steel frame, and more for a premium quality hydraulic sawmill that reduces manual labor and increases productivity. Let's take a look. Saw softwood and hardwood logs up to 32 inches in diameter with a 26-inch width of cut and a 10.5-inch depth of cut. More than enough capacity for most logs you'll come across. Powerful and dependable 25 horsepower gas and 24 horsepower diesel engines with electric start are available to fit your needs. The patented cantilever open sawhead allows for sawing of odd-shaped logs, simple setup with minimal bed leveling, and comfort design with easy off-bearing on the trapezoid-shaped bed. Quickly and accurately move the sawhead up, down, and forward reverse for sawing with the easy-to-use powered sawhead controls. Plus, the SimpleSet works allow 2 preset board thicknesses to automatically control blade height while referencing from the previous cut for increased efficiency and performance. Engage the sawmill blade with a convenient pull handle that engages the mechanical clutch and automatically throttles the engine at the same time. The LT35 hydraulic sawmill uses 158-inch length sawmill blades. We recommend having at least 10 sawmill blades on hand to minimize sawing downtime when sharpening blades. With the ability to saw as precise as 1/16 of an inch with a thin curved sawmill blade, you get the most usable lumber out of every log. Reduce blade travel and support the blade when sawing narrow and wide material with the adjustable blade guide on. High-performance blade guide rollers provide extra support and stability for sawmill blades to saw accurately and consistently compared to blade guide blocks. In addition to continuously feeding the blades, the blade guide rollers apply downward pressure on the blade while sawing for better cut quality. Sawmill blades run on belted 19-inch diameter cast iron band wheels for additional stability in the cut. Keep the sawmill blade cool and free of pitch, sap, and sawdust while sawing with a gravity-fed blade lubrication that applies directly to the blade. A water tank conveniently located close to the operator is easy to refill and features an on-off valve for consistently distributing lubrication to the blade. Sawmill blade changes are easy with a 2-piece sawhead cover that is secured by 2 inside fasteners. To change a sawmill blade, simply release the blade tension, replace the blade, and tension the blade with a simple screw indicator without having to remove any extra parts. Mud, rocks, bark, and other sawmill dulling debris is no longer a problem with an optional debarker. Powered by a 3/4 horsepower motor, the debarker protects sawmill blades from damage by clearing a 1/4 inch wide path in front of where the sawmill blade enters the cut. With a debarker, you will save money by extending your sawmill blade life. Constructed of fully welded premium quality steel, the sawmill bed adds extra strength where it counts with box steel cross sections featuring wide top surface areas and protective coverings for better weight distribution, easier log handling, and added durability. Lift heavy logs onto the bed with ease using the hydraulic loading arms. Rotating the log or cant for the next cut is easy with a hydraulic steel log turner. 2 hydraulic toeboards assist with the precise leveling of the hardwood of the log to maintain lumber quality. The toeboards are also equipped with rollers to allow the sawyer to easily move material across the bed frame. The heavy-duty hydraulic log clamp tightly fastens logs for sawing and is adjustable up, down, and in-out as material is cut. 4 strong steel side supports, 2 hydraulically controlled with heavy-duty rollers to assist with turning logs, are adjustable up-down to stabilize logs in the bed during loading, turning, clamping, and sawing. An additional built-in bedside support allows for final cuts within 1 inch of the bed. The LT35 hydraulic is completely portable and ready for road travel with a standard single-axle trailer and electric brakes. 6 adjustable outriggers allow for quick setup and simple leveling of the bed to prepare for sawing. Saw logs up to 21 feet in length with the included sawmill bed. To saw longer lengths, 6 feet, 12 feet, or 24 feet bed extensions can be added with a 45 feet max length of cut. Manufacturing the LT35 hydraulic portable sawmill by the Wood-Mizer owned and operated factory in the United States provides for the best combination of premium quality equipment at a low cost to you. With decades of manufacturing experience, Wood-Mizer employees in the heart of the Midwest USA have been manufacturing high-quality Wood-Mizer equipment for global markets since 1982. Sales of parts and blades, service, and support are always available through your local Wood-Mizer representative. The LT35 hydraulic portable sawmill comes fully assembled, so you can begin sawing as soon as you receive your sawmill. Free sawmill training by an experienced service representative is included during your Wood-Mizer location pickup. Thank you for watching the demo of the LT35 hydraulic portable sawmill. For more information or to order, visit woodmizer.com or contact your local Wood-Mizer representative.